Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Come down to our dealership. You'll get a great vehicle at a great price.